Hi, I'm Eugene, and today I'll show you how to replace fog lights on Toyota Tundra. And for my needs, I've chosen the LED fog lights from Diode Dynamics. This is the SS3 model, and they're completely street legal, and they give you plenty of power output. The first step is to remove the fender liner to get access to the fog lights. And to do that, you need to undo 2 or 3 bolts at the bottom of the bumper, 2 screws in front of the wheel here, and 1 clip back down there, and then you can remove the liner. And there's the clip that you need to remove. When all the screws and pins are out, you can remove the liner. Ta-da! Now you have access to the inside of the bumper, and you can see the fog light. The entire fog light is held in place with 1 screw. So as a next step, disconnect the harness and remove that screw. And the old fog light is out. This is the top outer mount, and this is where the screw is. So once this screw is out, you basically work it out of the mount there, and you're basically done. And here's a simple test of light output comparison of the old fog LED light. I think this is one of the Morimotos. I'll leave a description of it below. So Morimotos show maximum of 45,000 lux. Let's check the Diode Dynamics. These are definitely a lot brighter. And at about same distance I get 70,000 lux. So what is it, 50% improvement? That's pretty good. So now let's put the new fog lights in. Basically do everything in the reverse order, nothing really complicated there. So the fog light is in, but Tundras have a common problem. When you go off-roading, all these fog lights, they rattle. But here's a pro tip. You can use zip ties to secure your fog light housing so it doesn't move that much. If you went through all this effort to get to your fog lights, I would highly recommend to use a couple of zip ties to avoid this rattling problem. Might be hard to see on camera, but this is how I usually zip tie them. I'm trying to shake it and kind of doesn't wobble that much, and more than that the entire bumper starts moving, so it's a lot more secure fit than before. Next you have to put the fender liner back on. Repeat the same on the other side and you're done. And as you can see, they're installed. It was really easy. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, click like and subscribe, and see you next time.